What is the statute of limitations or time limit for filing a personal injury claim in Georgia? Attorney George C. Creal explains. The statute of limitations in Georgia for filing a personal injury claim is 2 years. The only exception to that rule is if a county or a city government entity caused the collision or the injuries, in which case you would have to provide what's called an ante-litem notice. In this notice, you would state your claim, what duty the government entity breached, your damages, and how much recovery and damages you are seeking. This notice would have to be given within 6 months for a city and 1 year for a county. There is a statutory basis for tolling and statute of limitations when the plaintiff is under 21 years of age or disabled for fraud, but in general, the statute of limitations for a personal injury claim in Georgia is 2 years. Take the safe road by hiring attorney George Creal and his team, who bring over 50 years of courtroom experience to counsel's table, providing your case with the individualized time and attention to detail required for success.